boy.
We gon' leave a legacy. Who leaving it? Who leaving it? Who leaving it?
Must remember we just carnival boy.
Just hold on, yeah. We increasing the gear. We increasing the gear. And creating memories.
Oh, everybody take out your phone, hug up your friends, take a big selfie, and just going down in history.
We gon' leave a legacy. Look up to the pool and tell them I say, and they can't fit like we. We gon' leave a legacy. And in the end, contributing every year to festivals. I say when we jump, they gon' remember we. They gon' remember we was in every fete, we at every stage. The bound to induct we name. Hey, in the Carnival Hall of Fame. Hey. One thing about Caribbean people, they always misunderstand we. Might look like we causing trouble, but that is the way we party. Goodness always conquer evil, that is the fuel that drive we. Even if you're deaf or crippled, feel the energy. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. We increasing the gear. We increasing the gear. And creating memories.
Hold on.
The last 1,000 years.
If you're going through this carnival,
we gon' leave a legacy.
On you.
The studio hot.
This one is directed all the way to the masqueraders, you know. This one really written for all the fetters. The fet from the first fet to the last fet, to the first DJ, to the last DJ. You know what I mean? The real authentic ones now. They don't miss Juve. They're getting up Monday to go and play mass after Juve. And they're playing Tuesday too. And they're going bass.
Monday night they're jamming too.
Right shows non-stop. If you well, who going down in the Carnival Hall of Fame? Who going down? You inducted? Ding dong, you inducted.
Contributing
How does it legacy?
Oh gosh, don't remember we was in every
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh,
You bumped it up.
oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
In the Carnival Hall of Fame. I'm telling you one thing about Caribbean people, they always misunderstand we. Might look like we causing trouble, but that is the way we party. Goodness always conquer evil, that is the fuel that drives me. Even if you're deaf or crippled, feel it. Start to sing. Hold on, hold your partner. We increasing the gear, we increasing the gear, and creating memories. Yeah, the last 1,000 years, the last 1,000 years. Watch me, we gon' leave a legacy. Let me jump up, look up to the. Tell them I say, and they can't fit like we. 96 go leave a legacy. Hey, I say contributing every year to festivals. I say when we jump, when we wave. Remember we was in every fete, we in every stage. The bump to induct we name. In the Carnival Hall of Fame. Nobody not weak and feeble. We marching out like a kick out like we from my stable and show we true identity. The critics will always label. They labeling we unruly, but don't study them. Just make sure you're on the road with me. And hold on, hold on,
Hold on, hey,
hold on. We increasing the gap. We increasing the gap.
And if you remember the first time you went on the road and you see a big truck, watch me,
we gon' leave a legacy. Jump on your bump to do. Them I say, and they can't fit like we. We gon' leave a legacy. And see me, contribute to
Who was in every fete? Who in every stage? The bump to induct we name. All are we going down in here, you know, in the Carnival Hall of Fame. You know I goofy.
I say they can't fit like we. They can't fit like we. No way they can't fit like we. I say they can't fit like we. 96 go leave her.
We yes and go leave her. And they man, they must remember. They must remember. Ding dong the carpet like Goofy the carpet like Patrice the carpet like Shal carpet like Food boss the can't leave. We FM go leave her. Mother drive, they must remember. We say they must remember. You don't know.
Passionate. That's where you talk about leaving a legacy.
Is it there?
That's his performance.
Thank you very much.
Kitch, boy.
Don't know. Now we come to do.
Kitch, but I'm hearing Kitch. Patrice didn't do vocals on this track.
No.
But you hearing Patrice on this track?
Yeah, well.
You hearing how sweet. Hey, Patrice. Oh my goodness.
I ain't gonna lie, Patrice. You're
Nah,
real
boy.
true to me.
Daddy.
But
You
again,
need to do a little road thing and put Patrice. You hearing Patrice on
I'm
that?
not going to say my sister got to help me out later. Don't
You know,
Let little ghost in the back there.
Patrice songing like a boy. Them vocals, boy.
Run to the class, Patrice. Run to the class.
Wash, boy.
Thanks for your help, sister.
Wash, you. Oh, you're so
From
wet,
another
boy.
mother, big up mommy, big up Patrice mommy. I'm another mother.
Yeah, boy.
Moms, we love you. I know you're listening.
Patrice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In my court close, eh?
What you
I come
mean?
from court today, eh?
Daddy, we have to perform.
And I had to go on air. I went to court to deal with the legacy at Arena Rama.
Yeah.
Right.
Because you happen with the Rama.
Right.
But it's gray skies ahead. You know, we seen a silver lining.
Right.
Blue skies, I should say, not grey.
Yeah.
Today was kind of grey.
Blue,
But we
blue.
blue from now on because we now win the appeal now. You understand? To go to the appeal.
Yeah,
You know, win the hearing to go to the appeal.
Yeah, right.
So we in the Rama until the case
Yeah,
they
yeah,
rally in again.
Right.
So if we go for 5 years in the appeal, we there for 5 years again till
Oh, you
it's
have to
over.
leave a legacy, my
You gotta
brother.
leave a legacy.
They cannot force you out, my brother.
All
They
the can't push me out, man.
cannot push you
I'm
out.
not going nowhere.
You're not going nowhere, man. It's Rama we stay.
Rama
I'm not
we
going
stay.
nowhere.
Rama
I'm not
we
going nowhere.
Let's see, boy.
Hey, let me go.
Let me go.
Patrice. Patrice. Patsy. Big tune.
Kernal leaving a legacy and I doing this till I old and grey.
Oh, yes. Well said.
Big up to Red Boys, big up to Problem Child. I know you're listening. When I go down, I out of my mind, looseness in my waist, not an ounce of shame. Walking up my spine, making up my face, not an ounce of shame. You don't know me already. When it comes to party, I just whine and go down and whine and go down and whine and go down, full stop. And everybody, they just talk about me with my hand in the air and rum in my head. Whoa, I know I'm doing it till I hold and go. Till I...
When I tune big like that, you know what we say.
Patrice Roberts. All and grey.
Only your vocal now. No melody, that's natural now. She just bringing it now.
Wine and go down, wine and go down. I out of my mind, looseness in my waist, not an ounce of shame. Walking up my spine, making up my face, not an ounce of shame. They don't know me already. When it come to party, I just whine and go down and whine and go down and whine and go down, full stop. And everybody, they just call me crazy, with my hand in the air and rum in my head. Whoa, I know I'm doing it till I old and grey, till I old and grey, till I old and grey. Carnival, I love you so. Hey. Patrice again.
Yeah.
Fashion now, yeah.
Wine and go down, wine and go down. Stop. I out of my mind, looseness in my waist, not an ounce of shame. Walking up my spine, making up my face, not an ounce of shame. You don't know me already. When it comes to party, I just wine and go down and wine and go down and wine and go down, full stop. And everybody, they just talk about me with my hand in the air and rum in my head. Oh, I know I'm doing it till I old and grey, 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 till I old and grey. Well, all of my friends, them is bad influence. I have lots of ounce of shame. You can put me on Instagram. I have not an ounce of shame. You don't know me already. Don't care about nobody. I just stand up, the turn up, the turn up, the turn up, the turn up, the vibes don't stop. And everybody, they just turn up crazy. With my hand in the air, and rum in my head. Sing the chorus now, everybody say. Till I hold and grey, 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 till I hold
was Patrice that was ding dong singing that part. Till I grave. What did daddy?
Let's ad-lib on the girl track just so, boy.
I have to emphasize on the grave. All man.
And
Patrice crying in the corner now. Watch me. Patrice crying in the
But the
corner.
man said that freestyle on the girl track just so, boy.
Yeah, funny in there, though. Realize, boy.
Oh, the vibe's nice. The vibe's nice. Nah, the vibe's nice, boy.
Vibe real nice.
No.
For wet eyes, daddy.
Yeah.
Like earlier, give me that rock, boy.
Oh, go take rock,
Go,
man. Buy
boy.
rock for everybody. Always artists and all anything, or let us call me. Yeah, rock for everybody. I rock for everybody. We're getting it again. Oh, go, what you doing, man? Now you towel, man. Towel. All right, Patrice, you have any more contributions coming?
Actually, I just released another one on Precision Production with him. It's called Blush.
Right.
You want to touch on it?
Yeah.
Of course.
Tune, man, you mean? Tune.
But she's come fully loaded, boy.
Too much vibes.
Hey. I wonder if I know this song, boy. Okay.
Wing it.
I don't want to leave you alone tonight. There is something about your ways I like. It's so rude. It's so rude.
Look at you now.
It's so rude.
Look at
to
you now.
me.
Rudeness.
Darling, I'm feeling for you tonight. I just want you to give me more. Hold on to me so tight.
Watch. Look at you.
Make him laugh.
How are you,
Let
give
me
me?
into your little heart.
How are you, give me?
Your little heart. Hey, if you want romance, then let me give you a dance. Just a little wine, you don't have to go too far. Baby, give me all and let me see how you roll. If we end up down on the ground, I don't care at all. You make me blush. You make me blush. You make me blushing and I cannot stop. You know what I can do.
Yo, that's something new again from Patrice Roberts. All right, so Patrice. Wait now, Patrice good. Patrice, I could Roberts.
Patrice, remember times when we wanted to skip the line and thing when we used to tour together with Marshall? Nah?
Yeah.
You know what time me and Patrice go up together, husband and wife? They can't question we all over parts of the world. They put you like rock together and we just pumping now.
Patrice and Kernal Roberts.
Oh, you want to sit next to your wife, sir? I say, yes, we'll take our seat right next to my wife, please. Yes. Real Lou. Lou for my wife.
Wow. They in studio, Screws in studio, otherwise known as the Shad Barrington Bone Thugs and Harmony.
Boom.
Hollywood Screws here style now. Oh, Lord.
Screws on the west side.
This is the Modern Drive 961. Shal, Marshall, Goofy, and Dingers. We had a blast today. As we say, we all friends. We all creating memories.
We just want to say thanks to 96.1 WFM, the Mother Drive for having us, you know what I'm saying? Shal yourself, yeah, I'll get you this year too, my brother. I really like time of my life too, eh?
Yeah, for real.
That song, I know you don't know. Ding dong, I want my rag, if I could get it. No, I take in all party favors. Shal, I want my hat. I want my thing from all the boy. I only see it on Instagram, right, you boy. You see Patsy give me my Shal almanac. I can like in this Christmas. and all the friends are here. Friends are here, bring thing. Big up to class, my boy, first class. You're doing a wonderful job on the production with myself and Pastor, big up yourself. The whole Rama team, you don't know, Soca bookings.
As have you all here?
Yeah.
Everybody here?
Yeah.
Responsible for power. We know about power, true. What we know about power?
Right.
That you know real men doing power this year.
True.
What?
When it coming up?
When they coming up.
Guys.
When now? So like all like trouble and anything or? Call you win law.
I went Patrice
No,
here, no. When that coming up?
Patrice win so much thing and look
Long
Patrice
time.
chop Shan.
Yeah, boy.
So all the trouble and too.
You see, after Soca, we're not
It's a difficult thing with the powers. One of the men being, heavily
For many
involved
years,
in the power
kinda,
thing.
control.
It kind of because to Trinidad, we are tush crowd now. Men not getting on why like St. Vincent and Grenada and up the islands anymore in Trinidad.
That no
We are the
shit
tush
again.
island, we are commercialized. We have money, we dress up nice and go to those parties. And we don't jump up and down.
Nobody don't shake fence again.
Nah,
Nobody
the most
shaking
again, the
fence
baddest
again.
man to give a little hand wave. You get sing along. You
Right.
get sing along forward.
Right.
When ding dong them pull along the fader,
Right.
you hear the crowd sing.
Right.
But the most you get a little small thing. a little wave, you get your hand in the air, and you got a minority of the crowd that might get a little wildness still. Minority.
And the rest of the crowd Instagramming.
Yeah, and the rest of the crowd, everybody, you know what I mean? That's
Boy,
how the thing is now.
I seen Patrice went to, it was Guyana, right? It was Guyana? London. But, and just in Guyana the other day too?
Yes.
In Gravity?
Everybody's
Patrice
taking videos.
performing, and you as the performer, no, you had a kind of have it in the head, yo. It's not that they're not enjoying my performance, you know, they just taping.
Yeah.
You performing your life out and you there and you singing and thing and them are the phones up in here. Everybody, you know, that whole front line, you know.
Social media take over the feds and all.
Yeah, boy.
You understand? So
It's
it's
about that now.
Yeah, the power thing. And also to write a power song is very difficult. Because the
But
whole thing...
thing there,
No,
so we
but
going through that big going.
I mean, to write...
We gotta keep it up on all the thing. We can't everything there.
I ain't saying you're dead, but it's a difficult task.
When
More
we
difficult,
get
so...
outside, and they go on and take it and carry Grammy power. We go, boy, that was reaching, boy. That was reaching, boy. And they don't go on already. So I'm glad how Shal asked that question there, because although think we should still make it happen. Look what power do with Palance and Port Kitch. You do the biggest power, you produce the biggest power, Shal.
In the last set,
And,
yeah.
and right now, the baddest
Still.
power still in the whole world right now is Police and Palance them. And that is our power.
Yeah.
You understand? So we know how to make power stronger and mash up the place. Without breaking, girl coming in high heel now, we still going to make you break up them high heel when you start jumping. But what I'm saying is, yes, that's what we come to make you break. If you come in high heel, we come in to make you break your high heel.
It's something that can't dead.
Bash
It
system
can't
up.
dead. It can't dead.
We
But
cannot let it.
it can't die, but it definitely
Shal,
need
I
to
like how you
revamp.
say that because I know
It
you
need a
have too
little
cheap
life.
power too. Shal, I know you have too cheap power, yes, but you have too cheap power.
Yes,
man.
Nah, but
So we
we'll
can't
see.
let them, right?
We'll see how it go. We'll see how it go. But I mean, some put trouble behind already, but we'll see. It's all good.
I did.
Patrice not up in here. Patrice up in here.
I would Patrice.
Yeah, my hand up for the year too. I have two for the year. I have. I see Shal come and take on the corner. I see sitting on that thing. I will show you the best. I go still jump. I go jump.
All right, guys. Yo, it was a wonderful one. This is the Man of Drive.